P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is it that?
And that's it. Well, it's similar what's gone missing on my phone before. You could have on videoing a director's thing where you had both views, but that's disappeared. Right, LaGuardia.
New Yorkers saw LaGuardia as the man to save them from corrupt politicians and the gangsters who owned them. The city celebrated as LaGuardia swept in on a landslide victory. Strikes turned into bloody wars as the heavies on both sides battled it out. These strikes only served to strengthen the links between the gangsters and the unions. And how did this affect the rest of the union?
Well, they win the strike. You know what I mean? And eventually that you oughtn't to say things like that. I was trying to be nice.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
bollocks.